First Amendment, my first right says yes, I could. Bro, you was talking to me. You was talking to me. You was talking to me. Wait, no, sorry, sir. No.
You're under arrest right now.
On June 14th, 2025, officers encountered a street-level confrontation involving multiple civilians, including 2 minors, ages 13 and 15, who had been selling hats in a public area.
When the cops come on that foot, shut up. When the cops come, you want to talk. Shut up. Look when the cops come.
Audit 225, can you load myself from Audit 226 and Audit 241 on a 31%?
Okay, let's go. Okay, I got you. No, wait, those are my kids. 13, 15.
I know. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Don't touch her.
Hold on.
Let's go. Hey, don't be pushing. Let's go. Hey, don't be pushing him. Go unless you want to go to jail. Go. Get out of here. We're trying being cool.
We're not gonna touch him. Stop.
Go home. We're trying being cool.
We're going.
You're gonna get arrested for disorderly.
Go there. Go. Get out of here.
Do it. Just do it.
Get out of here. Boys, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Reach you a little.
I wish you all would.
Come on. Let's go.
Memphis, what?
Let's go.
This is Albuquerque, dumb. Memphis, what? And they got bucked when the cops came. All your hoes. There was no cops around.
Let's go.
Memphis, and don't touch me though, bro. Let's go. Don't touch
Get out of here. Go.
Let's go. We're going.
Go. Yeah,
We're going.
Go. Shut up. Yeah, you think you're all big and bad. Let's go. Hurry up.
You think you're all big and bad? You think you're all big and bad? Or what? Do it then. Do it then.
Jesus Christ. Go.
Yo.
I know. We're trying to be cool. Come on. Let's go. It's not worth it. It's not
It's
worth going to jail.
Memphis against Albuquerque.
Come on.
Ain't nothing until you guys came, bro. Go.
Let's
Bro,
go.
ain't Memphis to Albuquerque, bro.
Hey, it's not worth going to jail.
But they didn't do till you guys pulled up.
Hey, you're about to get arrested.
We know. Okay,
Go.
we're going.
Thank
Let's
you.
go.
I'm serious.
Thank you.
Oh, you're about to get arrested. Pick.
Hey, stop, bro.
Goofy.
No, but they want to touch us. Like the you're doing.
Y'all don't need to follow us. It was that dirty against us. Stop. I got it.
We're cops. We can go wherever we want. We're just walking. So go home. Yeah.
They can't do nothing unless you guys touch them. Regardless if they say they know their rights and civil weed, they can't touch them.
Yeah, it's disorderly conduct. You can go to
It doesn't matter.
jail.
You guys can't touch them.
Yes,
though.
we can. Do you want to go to jail?
Oh,
Let me pull up.
touch
Pull up
us.
our rights.
Y'all
Yeah,
can
pull
touch
up your
us.
rights. Pull up your rights.
Touch us. Y'all can touch
Yeah,
us.
we can.
Oh,
It's called
oh,
disorderly
oh.
conduct. Go, get out of here. We're trying to be cool. Do I really want to take you to jail? Is
Oh,
it
you
worth
have
it?
your little cameras home.
Yeah, it's recording. Stop acting like an idiot and leave.
And record.
Jesus
Touch
Christ.
us. Yeah. You all think you just because you have rights, you can touch us. You don't.
Jesus
Take that
Christ.
suit off. Take that suit off.
Bro,
Don't
I
tell
mean,
us
I
to
don't
shut
mean
up
you
unless
shut
you
up.
want to go to
But
jail.
bro, you can't take me to jail.
Yes, you
You're not
can.
about
For
to
disorderly conduct. I'm trying to be cool.
First of all, my First
Disorderly
Amendment,
conduct.
my
No,
first right says
disorderly
yes, I
conduct
could.
is you
Bro,
screaming
you
in the
cannot.
public
I
like
swear
this.
to God, you couldn't. I wish you would threaten me, but
What?
you can't.
You gonna take off your
What?
backpack? Go.
What, nigga?
What?
I swear to God, I'll beat the
You gonna do it? Do it.
I ain't about to do it. I ain't about to do it.
Let's go. Go. You should probably raise them.
You was talking to me. You was talking to me. Wait, no, sorry, sir. No.
You're under arrest right now.
I have no.
Hey, I'm trying to break it.
We good?
You good, bro?
We good?
Good, bro. Good, bro. You were just out here selling.
You too.
Hey, what the f*** are you touching my auntie for?
You're going to jail too.
Shut up, you people.
Stop resisting. Hold on. Anybody else? Yeah, kid right here. Going? Yep. He's fighting me. Yep. Yeah.
Hey, why you hey, for what? Hey. What the f***?
Get it.
Hey.
Stop fighting. They're gonna drop you on your face, alright?
What are you talking about? Ain't nobody fighting nobody.
Let's go.
What the f***? Hey, Mom! They taking you. You guys record us!
In the vehicle.
C-L-U-X, drive
In the
here.
vehicle.
Are y'all serious, bro?
Yep, we're dead serious.
We're just stopping.
You weren't trying to stop it, you were trying to fight the whole time. Sit down.
Ow.
Hurry up, sit down.
Ow.
You ready?
Let me get out
Pass me your
comfortable. Let me get out comfortable. Can you pull in my pants?
We'll get you.
Pull in my pants, my guy.
We'll get you once we get you.
It's okay, pull in my pants.
Why didn't you want to just leave? We were trying to be cool
We
with
were
you.
trying, bro. My
No,
13 and
come on.
15-year-old are trying to sell hats out here. And they
were
just
what?
sold,
So
they
were
had
mouth
three.
off, trying to
My kids sold 15 hats out
You
here.
need to grow up.
My kids sold 15 hats, had 3 more left.
Listen.
It was them Memphis.
No. What they were doing.
You know what? And I will. Yeah, I will,
You were trying to
bro.
be cool with them and they were talking to us the whole time.
You know what? I will. But it's because, you know what? It was because them from Memphis.
Okay, what do we
kept
do?
Damn hoes right there. Jeez.
The attitude that got you right here.
You know, you're right. And it was them start talking to my
Back you
kids.
guys up. We're trying to get you guys to
You're
be
right,
sweet.
bro. I know. But them start talking to my kids.
And now
What am
all
I gonna
four
do,
of you are
bro?
in jail.
They were, you ugly little.
Hey, do you want to
Can
see
you
an
get this,
ambulance?
bro? She keeps talking to my 15.
Do you want to see medical personnel? Check it out.
No. Why would I need an ambulance, bro? We were out here selling hats to people. We were hustling. My 13 and 15-year-old just started having their hats just came in 3 days ago.
Okay.
So we're out here hustling their hats,
And then
bro.
they started talking to us the entire time.
You know what? You're right.
For no
It
reason.
was.
Okay, but I'm talking about us. We were trying to get you guys to go. We were being cool. They were talking to us the whole time. And then they decided to start putting hands on us. And that's what happens.
No, you
You need
guys
to
put
take
hands on
accountability
us
for that.
and we did back. Please no. I swear I will admit to anything,
If
bro.
you hit the unit one more time,
I-
we're gonna go on you.
No, we're talking to you, bro. We already know.
Listen.
Hey,
You
we're done
go.
with-
Oh, wait.
You
Who's
kick
the
it one more time, you're
supervisor?
getting put in a
Who's
press.
the supervisor?
You can talk to him
Right here.
Get in the car.
Where is she?
She's
Where is she?
She'll come talk to you.
So let her talk to me then. Y'all. Where did you put my window at? Your supervisor said I could have my window down, bro. Mom, stop. Everything is okay. She's gonna let them go with you. Just stop.
You're gonna get your piercing
Yeah.
coming up?
I'll give it to my mom, babe.
You want to get through? Okay. I'm sorry. No worries.
Don't. Yes, stop. Mom, stop. Where's the boys? Everything is okay. They're in the cop cars, but they're gonna release them to you. Everything is okay. Okay. It's just because the boys had literally sold everything, and some from Memphis started talking to Chewy and Angelo. They're like, "Well, we don't want your hat. We ain't from here." And I walked up to them because I was talking to somebody else to try to sell their hats, and I was like, "Excuse me," and they're like, "Oh, well, we don't." One of the bitches, she's like, "You're from here?" She's like, "Well, I'm from Memphis, and I don't want your hat." And I was like, "Well, first of all." Don't cuss, don't cuss. I was like, okay, well, first of all they're trying to do is take their hats out here. I said, my kids are 15 and 13 years old, and they're trying to stick their hats to everybody. So if you want to get the on, then that's your language. Stop. Yeah, it was, regardless, Mom, it's not her. So it's okay. We good. Where's your car? Bubbles brought your keys. My car is way on, you know where we park. You know where we park. We're here every weekend passing out flyers, Mom. She knows where we park. What? Tell the boys to be quiet. What? Yes, stop.
Hey, so
So we're gonna see if the kid will go. If not, we'll release him to you. Okay?
Thank you. I appreciate
I got
you for real, bro.
Did you tell her your information, or can I get it now?
I did not.
Can I get it?
I'll give it to you once if my kids get released. I got you. I got
But
you.
you gotta give me your information first. That's the deal.
Shake my hand. It's not on paper, but
I got you. I'll call them and I'll see.
The second I see them walk into my mom, babe, my sister,
Hey,
my kids,
so
my
I
sister,
can't
I got
control
you.
that. I can't control that.
Then I can't control my ID, but I got you. I already talked to your supervisor.
I know,
babe.
you said you were gonna give it to her.
No, exactly. But me and her talked. And so the second my kids get released, I got you. You'll get fine.
Hey, so you know the other one is 20, right?
Yes, that's
So
why
he's
I
going to
insisted.
jail.
Wait, who's 20?
Your oldest.
No, he's 15. I got his birth certificate, baby. He is not
What's
20.
his date of birth? What's his date of birth?
His birth.
Okay, what's the other one?
And my other one is 13 and 15 years old, bro.
So he gave us a different date.
What did he give you?
He said 2005. I don't have it, but that's what he told my other officer. We'll go confirm that, okay?
Please.
But
No, baby.
you gotta give me your information. Come on, I've been cool with you this whole time. Just your social. That's it. That's just your social, please. I'm trying to make this easy, please. It's not worth the extra 30
Where's
minutes
your
to go.
No, I got you. Well, where's your supervisor? I'll give it to you what she said.
Okay.
Give it to you. I got you, okay? I got you.
She wants you to be here when I get her 49.
Alright, Shirley, I'm here.
What's her social?
Just like I told him, babe, I will give you my information as soon as my kids will get released. But he just said that my oldest told him that he was born in 2005.
Yeah.
My son is not 20 years old. My kid is 15 years old. He just turned 15.
We'll go confirm that, okay?
So he's telling us he's 20. So that's the problem. If he's an adult, unfortunately he's going. The rules apply for all the adults.
Wait, he said he's 20? He said, yo, I'm 20 years old?
That's what he was telling
He
us.
said, no, baby. He said, I'm 20 years old.
Yeah, he gave us his date. That's what I'm saying. I'll go
No,
confirm
no.
it.
He
told us
said,
2005.
I'm 20 years old.
Yeah, 2005. That's when he said he was born.
I think it might have been no. He
If
is
it is,
not.
we'll go confirm it.
And I'll give you his social. He
You
is
asked
not.
me for her to be here. Come on.
No, I got
trying.
you. I got you. I will give you everything.
I gotta start your
I got
We're
you.
trying to
I
start
got
everything
you.
so we can get you guys. The quicker you give me your information, the quicker I can get them to grandma.
That's what I'm telling you. The quicker you get booked in, the quicker all this gets. You're
He
gonna
just
make
told
it
me.
out.
He just told me my 15-year-old's about to be booked.
Well, if he's 15, then no, right?
He's definitely. I'll give you his birth certificate, bro.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. I'll
He
go
is
confirm
not
it. I'll go
20
make
years
sure.
old.
He didn't tell me that. He told one of my partners that. That's why I'm not too sure. What's your social? Just your social. That is literally it. That's all I need. You don't gotta tell me anything else.
The faster you get in, the faster you get out.
I definitely will, but as long as I get words that my kids are going with my mom.
So we
They're
have to-
15 and 13. Why the f they go to jail?
I'll go check that.
That's why he has to check.
Yeah.
Okay, I
What's
got
your
you.
social?
Multiple individuals were arrested and charged with battery, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct. The footage raises three distinct constitutional questions. Whether the verbal conduct constitutes criminal disorderly conduct, under the First Amendment, whether the arrests were supported by probable cause, under the Fourth Amendment, and whether officers' use of the children's detention as leverage to obtain the mother's Social Security number is defensible under the Fifth Amendment. Starting with disorderly conduct, the applicable statute Tennessee Code Section 3917305 requires an overt act, fighting, or violent or threatening behavior. Verbal profanity alone does not satisfy this standard. In City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 451, the Supreme Court held that speech directed at police officers enjoys robust First Amendment protection. A statute criminalizing such speech on its face is unconstitutional. However, the Chaplinsky exception remains operative. Under Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire, 315 U.S. 568, words that by their very utterance tend to incite an immediate breach of the peace, known as fighting words, fall outside First Amendment protection. The statement captured on footage, directed face-to-face at another individual, is a textbook candidate for the fighting words analysis. Whether it crosses the Chaplinsky threshold is a factual determination, but officers had reasonable grounds to treat it as such. On the Fourth Amendment question, probable cause for arrest, under Payton v. New York, 445 U.S. 573. A warrantless public arrest requires probable cause. Officers observed subjects fail to comply with repeated lawful dispersal orders, engage in physical contact with officers and third parties, and make direct verbal threats. Each of those acts independently can constitute probable cause for battery, disorderly conduct, or resisting arrest. The resisting arrest charge carries a legal dependency. If any predicate arrest lacks probable cause, the resisting charge built on it collapses. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, officers may conduct brief stops based on reasonable, articulable suspicion, but full custodial arrest requires probable cause, a higher bar. The juvenile processing question is the most procedurally significant issue in this footage. A subject told officers he was 20 years old. His mother disputed this with documentary evidence, asserting he is 15. Under In Regalt, 387 U.S. 1. Minors retain full due process rights. In criminal proceedings, a juvenile cannot be processed as an adult. Without a formal judicial transfer hearing, officers correctly flagged the age dispute for verification, the legally required step before adult booking. On the Fifth Amendment, the officer conditioned juvenile release on the mother providing her Social Security number. That linkage creates coercive pressure on constitutionally sensitive information. Under Hybel v. 6th Judicial District, 542 U.S. 177, basic identification is not Fifth Amendment protected, but a Social Security number occupies more sensitive territory, and conditioning a child's release on its disclosure warrants serious legal scrutiny. Charges of battery, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct were confirmed on camera. Case disposition remains unknown at time of analysis. Based on applicable law, the battery charge is best supported by the footage. The disorderly conduct charge faces the strongest First Amendment challenge, particularly where the underlying conduct was purely verbal. The resisting arrest charge is derivative. Its viability depends entirely on the lawfulness of the predicate arrest for each subject. Officers receive a B. Repeated de-escalation attempts are documented throughout. Juvenile procedures were correctly flagged, and force remained proportionate to the situation presented. The deduction comes from communication choices that inflamed, rather than resolved, and the Social Security leverage dynamic, which creates unnecessary legal exposure for the department. The adult subject receives a C+. His underlying grievance was legitimate and legally sympathetic. His conduct, direct threats, failure to comply with lawful orders was not. The mother receives a B+, composed, legally instinctive, and effective at advocating for her children's procedural rights without further escalating the situation. 3 key takeaways from this footage. First, profanity directed at officers is protected speech. Physical conduct is not. Know the line and stay on the right side of it. Second, if you are a minor, state your correct age clearly and immediately. Providing a false age, even under stress, can result in adult processing with serious consequences. Third, a Social Security number is not routine identifying information. In most jurisdictions, you are not legally required to provide it. In the field, let us know what legal topics you want us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more legal analysis of police interactions.